Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, plug the case into a known good charger and watch the LED. If nothing lights, swap to a different lightning cable and adapter. Chargers fail more often than you think. While charging, inspect the case port and each earbud contact. Use a dry, soft brush to clear lint. Do this because poor contact or a faulty cable are the most likely causes, and resolving them saves time before deeper resets or repairs. Once you've verified power and cleaned contacts, reset the case by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This reestablishes firmware handshake. Next, make sure your iPhone or iPad runs the latest iOS so firmware updates can apply automatically. Firmware mismatches can block charging logic. Finally, try both wireless and wired charging. If one works and the other doesn't. If the case still refuses to charge after resets and alternate chargers, escalate. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider. Battery modules and internal connectors require professional repair. Make sure to back up paired devices and note warranty status. Repairs under warranty differ from paid replacements. If you need one last troubleshooting tip, try a different, freshly powered outlet and a certified lightning cable. Sometimes that final swap reveals a subtle power or cable fault and saves you a service appointment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.